Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset control center on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and now you want to reset control center, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So now let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, here you need to open settings on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you will need to scroll down, then tap on general, then here tap on soft update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will need to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after updating your iPhone device to the latest version, here again open setting, then scroll down, then here you need to tap on control center. So after that, you will see this type interface. Here you can see that here is the option of reset control center. So here, if you want to reset control center by default, then here you need to tap on this. Then after that, here you need to tap on reset control center. Then after that, your control center will be reset on your iPhone or iPad device. So in this way, you can reset control center on your iPhone or iPad device. So this is the way through which you can reset control center on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.